Well, let's move on to another section. And this other section is the benefits of letting go of limiting beliefs. The benefits. So, one, we know that there are limiting beliefs. We've covered how to get rid of limiting beliefs. Then really what happens when you actually get when you get rid of this little box you had found yourself into? What happens? Well, I'll give you a personal story for real. For years and years, I've always, gone, my risk meter is like broken. So I tend to do things that are out of my comfort zone. So that helps. But every time I took on a label of any form of leadership, I tried to work within the label. Let's say Keroy, Mother Ego, is a Christian, so everything you do is right there as a Christian. Mother Ego is a leader of this group, so everything you do is just in this group. When I'm working in corporate, oh yeah, Mother Ego is a corporate woman, so she can only be corporate here. She cannot add her religion, her personality. And that was too hard, wearing different hats in every section. I'm thinking, there has to be a better way. For real. I want to be Mother Ego everywhere, I love God, I love books, I love dancing, I love wisdom, all rolled into one person, right? Without wearing hats. So your biggest job is to become authentic, become the truest person you are without any limiting beliefs that are forcing you into a box